ene John Mahama NPP agu Afenyo Markin uni twasere Afenyo Markin utise kwie utise ayinantwie bini a obi atiam by accident won tantan
Etienra ana honorable Kesato Forsen, Minister for Finance, Ekodu Ghana Parliament na oko ready budget for 2025 as na NDC omo gina so edi abu oman konkon Ghana. Now already budget when minority, that is Afenyo Markin, emo pass a comment on that. Our Ghana Parliament. Now comment here omo pass here no. Ana Twene Jonas, the Almighty. Abe gina so abeke kana gina chere Afenyo Markin. Ame bia kofa Akufo Addo ho NPP fo nyina, in fact Twene Jonas ake kana gina chere nyina tan. Aha Penyah block media. Mess was any demo. Over like a video, no doubt my over subscribe button and click the notification icon for latest updates. Now better the area mama ever comment section. I know share video na mo so enye bi ahwe. Eti enra Kesato Force Minister for Finance Okodu Ghana Parliament na okorede Ghana budget. Before say obekona Ghana fo nyina obi ayam hyehyem because ye to ba wie no. Anytime bi Mahama ebe mount platform na obi address the public bi na o me tia say Ghana is broke. I say even Ghana is broke to the extent say Independence Day crowd the celebrity across the country because Ghana is broke. Ghana is broke. Any say they want Ghana need be a 3 years sad the car any other. It's not enroll there. Opia ye din say na budget cry ye ko ready crowd Ghana. Poor man. Ede ne wo anyway. Eti budget no pa ede no betima ka kire ye. Emu ne hu say MP for Adan. Budget in fact the budgets will be nice.
The budget is going to be because Ghanaians don't want too much talking. We don't want to hear inflation this, inflation that. All we want is we should have peace and we should have things reduced so that we can buy. All they want is to stabilize the economy. All they want is to put food on their table. So we need a budget that will put food on our table. We don't want to hear, and the inflation is this, inflation that, and that. We don't want to hear their big English. We want to see changes in our lives.
That is your finance minister presenting about.
Yes, we promise to reset Ghana. And the reset is going to start from today because a lot of levies will go off. And we know that will reduce the living cost a bit. They should stabilize the city. That's all we want. So it should be no long talk. I don't believe in long talk. Action. The action to start from today. That's all we are looking for.
Right. So you are an advocate for women, young girls. Should you also see the scrapping of tax on sanitary pads?
I have not heard anything about that yet already, but as women we are working on it, and the vice president is even working on it with hand in hand with us. So we will see some improvements. Even not scrapping at all, there will be some improvement or some change.
The budgets will be nice. It's okay. I thought to go through no. In fact, Obobo never will be so. They say 449.8 million Ghana cedis. The eco tertiary level 100. Correspond 219 million Ghana cedis. The top part. I supply MR or JHS and SHS. Just say, Obro Nemara Bebrebe now so betting tax, any COVID levy, any e-levy. They said they will remove it once the budget is approved. It will be removed. Just say, Obro Bebrebe so I say, at the end of the day, no, any J Abakromo. Now, no Anna Afenyo Markin echo pass a comment on that. As a budget film, a 419 budget.
We have witnessed what we can best describe as an Azan budget. Mr. Speaker, they are on much talked about for 24-hour economy. The president came here, they said it was all ready. The finance minister comes here, and again, the 24-hour economy policy is not included in his budget statement. Mr. Speaker,
And I said, you say, want any initiative for youth employment, want initiative for 24-hour economy. That's what you say. Where you better tax a free or but youth unemployment. Omo multi fi omunya adwuma no. Mo police mo kan aba mo bo aba na chi ase be bring the fi omunya adwuma but mo budget we no. Afenyo Markin say, we hu is bia say omo take e support youth no munni adwuma any other. Ana omo 24-hour economy now almost a game changer no so. Afenyo Markin say one tension for because of that no. Budget with a 419 budget. Everyone said Mahama Yalega Kurabeka said this budget is for girls.
This budget is a budget for girls.
Now this budget is for girls now. Mahama Yalega Kaino. Let's say boys, yes, your budget away. If this budget is for the girls, yeah, any boys, yeah, try your budget. Now, any more no comments here. Afenyo Markin NPP. And I just say it too. Twene Jonas say I come. And then you bet to see Afenyo Markin NPP for no so in fact. Wake Canada to the tan.
Yo, I'm coming at VA to Mayano. With that being said, let's get into it. Victory has come. Victory, oh victory. Victory, oh victory. Victory, oh victory. Victory has come. Yeah, man, we're gonna be high. Victory has come. Victory has come. Ghana for you now, be any aje. Finally, ajebo. Victory has come. Of course, Obaso no ashe no kwenti said that be amoye no. Mahama NDC for nyame hyiramo. Nyame ntomo nkwam. Nyame ma mo nkwatenten. Nyame ma de mo hwehwe owiase nyina mo nsanka. Nyame ntomo nkwam. Nyame hyiramo. Obi se hwene wo ka no wan ja nkwase asem na muntie no kure. Na de ja nkwase ade na ja ka asem. Wadi ase nye da bia na metena kam say me ba kokura. Sometimes I gotta walk. Wadi ase to do exercise. Wadi ase nyame nto wo nkwam Mahama. Wadi ase ene watch lese say your party no ye wo ma hodo. Ene Mahama nti NPP agu. Yesi ano yi levy eko Africana foso corona tax eko betting chacha eko because enti yesi an hwan enkoto abama kronfo bio hwan enkoto abama kronfo Afenyo Markin uni twasere Afenyo Markin utise kwie utise ayinantwie bini a obi atiam by accident won tantan kwasia anigi abam wani nye way that's this right there to supposed to show you say umam Penyah Akufo Addo kraman no ya boa na say we kira say kira say no ya boa no say mu party na kraman kwasia uti wo say azan budget wo twa ade enum Omaya yewo gold wotimba diamond manganese Akufo Addo sise standing na private jet. Wasia omuba ya wontra private jet no. Finance minister ne say omuba e 2 months peno. 2 months peno. Omanya say mame mo figure ni di ntia o. Omanya say sika o ma locate nko 2 months keke no. O ma locate 499 million our de ba support to free university until people every school first year no go university no says can you now omo ye free education ni no ma say then free some millions of dollars ye mo nkwasi aban na come asise kugu about them sisi ada pa them de omo say wo ni twem enti kwasia emejira ho mejimi mo se o mine samre ya koto abama tani kwasia no ba omia na nka samre mo de tax for aba akronfo asefo stupid people enti enen yanya anyansafo a omo be ye o mine ya mo uni hweka obi ansoma ase be kasa anigi aba let's all celebrate together Money shake because ya mamu 8 years school die clement me NCB. Common hospital. Mo de one agenda 111 hospital ye Akufo Addo bo modern di scanning nyina apatakura oni na busuanfo wie scanning no man timi NCB o man no. Omo na ma V8 e na omo de nkonwa agum na omo de nkonwa gu V8 na hospital bed kura nipa nya bi so na. Konfo anochi teaching hospital otumfo asire sika since 2021. Na wa begi sika to materials Akufo Addo mani nyi no ma na meye konfa no che no aboa itimit na 2022 2023 se otumfo metua 20 billion anse na wa mana yi no ma no. Don't get me wrong, say petty we asante for petty un NDC for banwe ya o ma mana yi no ma na ye konfa no che ko phase 1 isn't this beautiful. Some way omo yare anom ko abruchi na omo akosa mo yade ye yo man ya omo so omo ye nya oman ye enti nkwasiafo we wan na ekoto abama omo bio enti sesia no the first John Mahama me endorse na wan disappoint me watwa 11 man pa me na ma Ghana for koto abama no ne nkura ni nyina dede omo ye nyina nko ba bia de oman di Twene Jonas kasa akọ ba bia me de me ka na oman ni obi etie because me nkoji scam fi obi awa wajimi onim nyansa me ba be praise you NDC for ba mu nim nyansa na me praise you omo yi omba no majimi anka me ba be fire omo enti me ma omo to abama omo no omo che say they are there for the benefit of Ghana people. Leadership is not about say brana be wi oman ni sika be wi oman nya pade to fie mu hyewofuo na mun be wi sika. It's about rectifying the problem in the society, in the community, in the country and fixing the problem. That is the purpose of a leader. And yes, brana be Jimmy, but say some kwasi taxes so nipa onim se nipa nya adwuma to tax. Mako school abruche nkraman mo hyewofuo man nyina gu abruche mu gu abruche de onya adwuma te se bibini aban ne hwe no oje akatua free ya bisa wo fa obewo ne nkwasi amagu abruche a omu nyina didi free de hia se won krata keke wonya adwuma okwa aban tua oka oruma ya enti ya ye adwuma we pay the taxes near the akohwe ahiafo enti sasika for oman no ma adan na omumu ntia tax na ahiafo mum a omo ne hwe no ena ono kosane ni mobile money lala sulala osima jiminti me ba be wieska no opotam umodam na wa Akufo Addo no kra no deserve sen kasa amri yakokunu kra free yase because e wo no di yesika ete private jet send the sika na twen V8 mkonwa ekotena so abra ye to abama akonwa bi ye de ma wo Frasta house regular person bi ate so nsa akonwa no asora tena so wan hu hwe anyew nti you were just udi abrokwa nti the first say udi abro watimi di o minor bro for that years that long no enya Ghana fo ne ejimi asoso mo so kra nka wo obia ni obe hwe wanim obia ni wan ko be hwe wanim kwasi ampanyini kasami obe fiskani an we wie nyina de aba. I'm telling you the fact Ghana fo ne ejimi na de bibia o yemfa nche yenya maninka nya sa kasamre unu akinofo ataba bi o hye biase yakoyi na ba no abekire de ayi baby a o de 300 million $300 million odi kosi cathedral no nan ko abekire baby a cathedral ni si Ghana ni ejimi na kromfo ni aseso no se ni agya no ne nam o enya hwe mum yemfa nche nyame ntimi yemfa nche da bi eye kro papa bi abere America Trump buy oni Elon Musk na mu a omo chiche omo ma diska ni nyina ama omo ma diska no kra start ye protest se ene ye obi anto Tesla bi o se on fa ho yes no ye be chimo ba nipa ye yi o ma die fra adwuma obi odi kururu fa adwuma bi mu obi odi fake ayi bia ye yi o mu nyina di Ghana ni ejimi ni ye jamu na mo ne nam krom wo na mutimi kasampo enti esia no party na Akufo mo sacrifice ye alankash mo sacrifice build ye no matena se di jimi atena ma Akufo Addo na busiamfo beku party na esia no mo be da power edien na Ghana ni reason ben na be ma wakoto abama NPP party bio edien reason ben say ni pankoto abama na be chinchim ni wia ne sika na fa ko ropieto enu nti nipa ne nkoto abama mo abobodam
chairman the almighty Twene Jonas and I tell you say in fact obobo na adwene no Akufo Addo dwene no ho but eya na MP before that akọ be ka no na ye fire na ebi akọ Akufo Addo onuma wa dwene no ho akọkora 80+ all dwene no ho enso ya na MP before na akọ ka na firemen ne ba ye de akọ hwe Akufo Addo so obetu akire wa agere e wo comment section aha Penyah blog media